All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Hyundai Tucson. It is the SLE model, all-wheel drive. This beautiful grayish blue with tan interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire tread is over 730 seconds. Only 3,000 miles on this vehicle. Doors look good. Quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Tire tread over 730 seconds. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Find the keys. Boom. Does come with the 2-key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. 3,000 miles. Got your AM, FM, CD player, on it, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. It's got heated seats. I didn't notice that before. Very nice. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Turn the lights. Boom. Lights are on. Alright. Steering wheels controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument costs. So let's get no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 3,635. Looks fantastic. Got your 4x4 actions and stuff like that here. That's about it. Keeping it moving. 2-key fob combos. Your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders coming around. Your rear bumper looks good. Your deck lid looks good. This is some dirt there with some like wax or something. Nice shot of your trunk and what that looks like. Very nice. Does have a spare tire here with some tools, and I did a tuck away your owner's manuals right back there. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice NLC curbing here. Tire tread over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire tread over 730 seconds. Come back here. I believe we're calling this frame. Did have some repair done here, as you can see it. Okay, so that's why we're calling it frame. All right, guys. Questions and/or concerns, please do not hesitate to ask. All right. Fog lights are working. Headlights are working. This car looks phenomenal, folks. Once again, a 2018 Hyundai Tucson SLE all-wheel drive model with only 3,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.